We're back with another Dataset Spotlight. Your models are only as good as the data they learn from. In this episode, 3 video datasets for teams building the next generation of visual and embodied AI. Computer vision and generative video teams face the same sourcing problem. Diverse, high-quality footage at scale, cleared for AI training. Using scraped or unlicensed video creates IP risk that blocks commercial deployment. Our 4K stock video dataset covers 100,000 professionally produced clips across sports, health, business, medicine, drone footage, and more, all shot in 4K and ready for AI training. Built for action recognition, scene understanding, and generative video models. Robots see the world in first person. Most training videos don't. For embodied AI and robotics teams, that gap is a production problem. This egocentric video dataset covers 100 hours of head-mounted ultra-wide recordings of natural in-home household activities, meal prep, cleaning, organizing, real scenarios not simulated. Short atomic actions and multi-step sequences of up to 20 minutes, built for action recognition, task understanding, and robotic navigation. Vision covers what a robot sees. IMU sensors capture what its body is doing. Getting both synchronized at scale is rare. For robotics teams working on manipulation and physical task AI, that's the gap. Our multimodal dataset for household robotics combines 1,000 hours of head-mounted video with full-body sensor streams from 7 9-axis IMU units on the chest, upper arms, forearms, and wrists, capturing real household tasks. Built for imitation learning and manipulation planning. If visual or embodied AI models are on your roadmap, these are the datasets you need. All 3 are on the Defined.ai Marketplace. Links are in the description. Go explore.